Hello again and welcome back to my channel where you'll learn the latest and greatest technology to build your brand, grow your business, or attain new skills. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way businesses operate, and the AI tools will help you automate processes, improve decision making, and ultimately increase your business profits. In recent years, we are seeing the emergence of AI-driven technologies and solutions that complements businesses and marketing activities. Today, I'll be sharing you the top 5 artificial intelligence tools that will provide innovative solutions for your marketing efforts and will save you money. So without further ado, let's get started. First on the list is Namelix. Namelix is a free business name generator that uses artificial intelligence technology to create dynamic business names from a set of keywords selected by the user. Entrepreneurs and small business owners can use Namelix to create catchy business names that they can then register through Namecheap.com. Namelix is 100% free and easy to use. To create a catchy business name, you simply need to put in your brand keywords, and the AI technology will create dozens of name options based on your choices. For this example, I'm going to key in sneakers as my preferred keyword. Click on the generate button. From here, I can select the preferred name style. There are several choices to choose from: compound words, 2 words, short phrase, or even brandable names. So in this instance, I'm gonna choose auto and leave it to Namelix to generate the preferred brand name. I would prefer to use something more creative, so I click medium, key in my description of my business: a one-stop store selling fashionable sneakers for the young and trendy. Okay, so we'll wait till it generates a selection of different brand names for our sneakers. As you can see, we have examples like Swaggle, Dazzle, Slick Shoes, and different set of logo designs that you can choose from. So I'm gonna choose Slick Shoes. Okay, so I can definitely edit to make the font more prominent, or I can change its color to something else, perhaps a reddish tone, or I can make it gradient if I wanted to, and I can even make the whole thing pop by increasing the font size. If you decide to choose on this selection, you can purchase it for a one-time payment of $25, and you can even download the high resolution or even choose several options from designer where you can even download the source files, and also other options from business card designs to presentations designs. For those who are looking to create visuals for your business, you should check out Mokker.com or at Mokker.AI. Mokker is a software that lets you create amazing product images with a single shot. Mokker, you can use it for free for up to 20 images. Simply upload a photo of the product and Mokker AI magically removes the original background and generate different backgrounds in realistic without using any image editor or even Photoshop. So in this instance, I have this pair of sneakers which I can transform into a fantastic visual for social media posts or campaigns. Simply sign up for Mokker. With Mokker, you can simply upload any photos of your choice. For this example, I'm gonna upload a photo of a sneaker. So once you have selected the photo, the AI function will remove the original background, and at the same time it will render to produce the same pair of shoe against different backgrounds that you can choose from. Select this current template and click on the generate to produce new images. So for this example, I'm gonna choose the pair of sneakers against the concrete background, and I click on the high definition download button to download a high resolution photo. So this is just an example where you can use Mokker.ai to generate product shots for your online store or social media campaigns. For any business, content is essential because it plays a crucial role in attracting, engaging, and retaining customers. In today's digital age, customers are constantly bombarded with information, so creating high-quality content that stands out is more important than ever before. Well, the best thing about Copy.AI is that it is incredibly easy to use. You don't need any technical knowledge or writing skills to get started. Copy.AI allows you to generate human-like text within seconds. Copy.AI generates content from just a summary text that you input, from product descriptions to paid copy. Here's how it works. So the first thing you need to do is create new project, type in the product. This will be followed by a sentence that describes your product. Next, you will choose a specific tone for your content. So I can choose a friendly tone. Next, you click on the button and let Copy.AI do its magic. Just like that, you'll find several examples of content that you can use, and you can even generate more if you want to. I can choose one of the examples. I can save this for future use, and I can copy this right up here and even include it in my online store. And I just replace this with the new product description and save it. With Copy.AI, you can make use of its templates from blog posts to cold emails to help you create content and reach to your target audience. Now this next AI tool blows my mind. Durable AI website builder automatically generate your website from the content to the lead generation form. So I'm gonna demonstrate how it works. Based on your location and business type, Durable.ai builds a website in minutes, and it will include images, copy, fonts, colors, and a lead generation form. It literally generates your website and the content for you by gathering all the inputs by the provided questionnaire. So for this example, I'm just gonna select some of the options from this first questionnaire, and let's say I'm just click on graphic design, and I'm just gonna select Sneakertopia. Let Durable.ai do its magic. Now the website is ready. Within minutes, Durable Website Builder will generate the complete website for you. It will include the content, fonts, colors, and even include a lead generation form. You can even customize the website by creating different sections, from banners to galleries, and include testimonials. The AI Durable Starter account starts from $12 per month. It gives you unlimited access to your website, assets, and other functionalities. And of course, all durable plans include free custom domain. As a beginner, you can sign up and try Durable for free for 30 days. No credit cards, commitments, or phone calls required. This solution provides a simple approach for those who are starting out and looking to have an online presence. Last but not least, we have Tweetify. Tweetify is a game-changing solution which quickly transforms any long-form content from text or URL into personalized short social posts and tweets. So for example, I have a Medium article on how I played chess against ChatGPT-4 and lost, and I want to share this piece of content on my social media. So what I'll do, I'll copy the text or content article from medium.com and paste it on Tweetify. There are definitely options that you can choose to customize the tone, the topics, format, text, length, and language. So for this, I'm just gonna put as engaging and keep the language to English. I will just not include any options. I will just let AI decide. So for this example, I'm gonna choose Instagram as a preferred social media choice and click on Tweetify. Within minutes, Tweetify will generate some examples that you can choose for your Instagram posts, such as this: the reign of superiority over machines is over. GPT-4 has proven itself as a chess genius, and it even includes hashtags that you can include in your social media posts. You can even select this or copy to clipboard. So you can even choose other social media posts, such as this right up over here, which you can copy and include in your social media posts on Instagram. So there you have it, our top 5 artificial intelligence tools for marketing. These AI tools can help you achieve your goals more efficiently and effectively than ever before. Which of these tools are you excited to try out now? Let us know in the comments below. If you find value in today's video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Till then, I'll see you again.